Hey, Sam here with an exciting update that's going to make life a lot easier, not just for you, but for your clients as well. High Level has recently rolled out a new subscription management feature within the client portal. This means that your clients can now manage their subscriptions, invoices, and transactions all in one place without needing to contact you every time they want to make a change. Imagine how much time this will save you and your clients. Let's jump in and take a closer look and see how this new feature works. Log into the client portal. Once they're logged in on the client portal homepage here, they will see the option to go to billing and subscription over on the right-hand side, or they can also get to the billing and subscription under the account settings. So you just click on the circle at the top right side and then go to account, and then billing and subscription over here on the left. And then it will send another code to authenticate the account. Once you have that code, go ahead and put it in, and then you will see all of the billing info here. So currently, you'll be able to see the address, but at the moment, we're not able to adjust it. I do believe that's coming down in the future. But the big one here is that you have the current and previous subscriptions, any invoices, and then all transactions as well. And then you can view them. So under the transactions, if you click this little action, you can actually view the info and download the receipt, which is great. Under subscriptions, you can also view the actions. You can actually specifically view the subscription and see when the next billing is due. You can cancel, or you can update your payment information via this link. So you would click on this, copy that, go here, and then you can update your card on file that way. This is a really great feature. I would definitely recommend, if you're utilizing the client portal, let your clients know that this is now an option. So as you can see, this new feature is all about empowering your clients to take control of their subscriptions, saving both you and them valuable time. Whether you're a coach with a monthly membership or running a subscription-based service, this update lets you focus on what you do best while your clients can manage their accounts with ease. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any future updates. And if you have any questions or need more personalized help, feel free to text us at 866 540 7505. We're here to help.